How to fix Quotex account login not working. So if you want to fix Quotex account login not working, then what you need to do is first you need to have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. You need to have a stable internet connection. Once you have it, try logging into your account again and it will fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to make sure is that you are typing your information correctly. But even after typing your information correctly, if it doesn't work, then what you can do is just go with your browser and log in from your browser. And even after logging in from your browser, it doesn't work, then go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on settings. Or you can just go with the browser data. So tap on delete browsing data. And here you can simply delete the data of your browsing. Once you've deleted, then your problem might be fixed. But if it is in the application, then just tap and hold on to that application. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache and also clear storage. Now once you've done this, you just need to simply go and restart your device. To restart, you need to press and hold on to that power button. You'll have restart option. Once you've restarted, then your problem will be fixed. You can go back and log into your account, and that's it. That's how you can fix Quotex account login not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.